Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to hide out of stock items on your Shopify store. So there are two methods. The first is manual method and the second one is automatic. So let's get started. First, you can open your Shopify dashboard and then go to your products. And let's say this is the product that I want to hide. I will just click it, and the manual method is you can just change the status from active to draft. So when you change it, it will disappear from your store, so customer cannot buy it. And the second method is automatic. You can scroll down and you will find track quantity. You can just check it, and then as you can see, you can change the availability. You can change just by, let's say, 10 like this, and then you can click save, and when it's sold 10 it will automatically unavailable and it will disappear from your store. So yeah, that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.